All right, let's look at the homework 7.1, problem number 8. All right, so we want to find the equation of the YZ trace of the sphere. All right, so let's do that. All right, so YZ trace. So we want to cut this sphere by YZ plane. All right, so the equation of what YZ plane would be, so I'm going to just write the YZ plane. All right, this guy has an equation of x equals 0. All right, so we are looking for the intersection between the plane x equals 0 and this sphere right there. All right, so as usual, if you have two equations, we're going to plug one equation into the other equation. So I'm going to plug in x equal 0 for x. All right, so this equation becomes, all right, so we have 0 squared plus y squared plus z squared minus 12 times 0 minus 10y plus 10z plus 41 is equal to 0. Right? So you can see that, if you plug in 0, those terms go away. All right? Then I'm going to group together all the y's. So you can see that there's a y term here, y squared term, and there's going to be 10y there. So I'm going to just group those together. So you have a y squared minus 10y. All right. So maybe I'll put parentheses here. Oh, I don't. All right, let's see, like I just need one more term there. And then we have, let's see, how about the z term? So you have a z squared, and then you have a 10z. So we have a z squared, and we have a 10z. All right? Then I'm going to push this guy. 41 over to the other side becomes negative 41. So by subtracting 41, we have this is equal to negative 41. Right? So we got that. Then here, we need to complete the square. So in order to complete the square, what do we need here? So 1/2 of 10, negative 10 would be negative 5. Square that. So we need 25. So I'm going to add 25 on this side. I'm going to have to do the same on this side too. You have 25. Right? And to complete the square here, 1/2 of 10 squared, so 25. So you have another 25. So I'm going to add another 25 to both sides. Right? So we got that. All right, then I think we are almost there. So this one, these three terms is same thing as y. 1/2 of that is negative 5 quantity squared. And here you have z. 1/2 of 10 is plus 5 and squared. And this is equal to, negative 41 plus 50 is 9. 9 is 3 squared. All right, so let's type it in. All right, so what we got was y minus 5 squared plus z plus 5 squared is equal to 3 squared. All right, so let's check the answer first. All right, I came back and looks like we got the equation correctly. All right, so we just have to find the correct picture. All right, so since we're cutting with the YZ plane, so here YZ, so this is the plane, so correct one. So looks like they all have the correct YZ plane, so that's good. All right, then look at the center of the circle here. So this is going to be a circle on YZ plane, and the location of the center would be a positive 5 and comma negative 5. So y is on the positive 5, so this is not it. Positive 5, this is not it. And if you look at the third one, right, you have a positive 5, and that one's promising. This one's positive 5. And z is going to be plus 5 is negative 5, right? So you have negative 5. So this is actually positive 5. Looks like positive 5, so that's eliminated. All right, so you have a y is positive 5 and a z is negative 5. All right, so this should be the YZ trace. So let's click on that. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got the correct picture as well. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.